Everyone already knows that science has not yet discovered life beyond Earth, but are we really alone? Is it truly possible that in the midst of this vast universe, we are the only ones? Or is it not quite like that? Let's get a better understanding of this. Hey, curious folks, are we alone in this huge universe? This question has stuck in astronomers' minds more than the Baby Shark song. So far, what science can tell us is that it seems we're on our own. As much as we look up and see a bunch of stars, so far, we've only found life here in our little corner. Earth? Can you believe that? Right now, think with me. Earth is this place teeming with life, from the smallest bacteria to humans, including dinosaurs and chickens. But how did all this wave of life start here? Understanding this is extremely important for us to grasp the main question of the video. But before we start, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, because if you like this type of content, you've not only found it here, but I guarantee we'll be bringing quality content here every day to the channel, alright? So let's go. Well, one idea that people find quite plausible is biogenesis. This talk comes from Louis Pasteur, that guy of the vaccines and pasteurization. He kind of threw cold water on that old idea that life could spring from nothing, like magic. And speaking of origins, there's always that classic debate. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Oh, science, always trying to clarify things, says the egg won this race. Think about it. Way back, there were animals that weren't quite chickens yet, but they were already laying eggs. While we're here scratching our heads trying to understand how life began on Earth, we're also keeping an eye out for space, hunting for signs of life on other planets. So far, no ETs saying hi. But it's not for lack of looking. But why did this process happen only here on Earth with us? Why hasn't this process been repeated on any other planet? With the absurd number of exoplanets we've already discovered, it's even hard to believe we're in this alone. Just in our galaxy, the Milky Way, there are more stars than we can imagine. So, what is the sun compared to all that? And Earth then? And us? Yep, the universe is gigantic, and here we are. The thing is, even with all this vastness, we still haven't bumped into any kind of life out there. But hey, the game is just beginning. We've already discovered more than 5,000 exoplanets, and some of them are very similar to our home. Who knows what else we're going to find out there? Right. And look, there's even this dilemma called the Fermi paradox, which basically talks about this strange contradiction. With so many chances of life out there, why haven't we found anything yet? But hey, that doesn't discourage the astronomy, folks. The search for cosmic company continues at full speed. So the question remains, yes, how do you imagine finding life beyond Earth would be? Will we one day have that answer? Well, the universe is out there, full of mysteries for us to unravel. Who knows what awaits us? Right. So, tell us what you think. Are we truly alone, or is there something more? Tell us down here. But it's not just in space where things are crazy. For example, Earth is also full of wild and nearly inexplicable events, like the ones in the video above. But it's not just space and Earth that have these things. The ocean also has its mysteries. Like, why haven't we lifted the Titanic from the bottom of the sea yet? But none of these videos are as special as the, like you're going to give this video, right? So folks, that's it for today. Until next time, and always stay curious.